Hi Molly, thank you very much for your flashcard presentation on osteoporosis. My name is Emily and I will be doing a case presentation on this disease. So MG is an 80-year-old Caucasian woman who presents to the emergency department in 9 out of 10 back pain. She states that she does not remember any falls or injuries to the area. She woke up this morning and got out of bed a little funny and then was in excruciating pain, she states. Her daughter accompanies her and states that she does have a history of previously fracturing her vertebra about 5 years ago. MG has a history of dementia and rheumatoid arthritis, for which she has been on prednisone for about 2 years. She has also been experiencing worsening pain from her rheumatoid arthritis the past few years, so she's not as active as she used to be. MG states that she mostly just watches television and knits. She has a pack per day smoking history, and she typically drinks about 3 cups of coffee every day, but she doesn't drink alcohol, as she states. It fogs my already foggy brain. Her daughter says that she may have fallen but not remembered because of her dementia, but her daughter doesn't think that that's the case, as she heard her mother crying out for help as soon as she woke up that morning. On exam, MG appears uncomfortable. She's lying flat on her back. She states, "The pain is not as bad when I'm lying down." Her vital signs were stable. She was afebrile. Her blood pressure was 118/74. Her heart rate was 96, which was most likely elevated due to her pain. Her respiratory rate was 20. Her lung and her heart sounds were completely normal. She signals to her mid-low back when asked where the pain is, and she states it's worse with any movement. As the ordering provider, you decide to order an x-ray of her back. While waiting for the results, you believe MG's likely diagnosis is a subsequent fracture of her vertebra due to osteoporosis. Her list of risk factors for osteoporosis is extensive and includes the following. Her increased age. She is Caucasian. She's a postmenopausal woman. She has been having decreased mobility due to pain related to her rheumatoid arthritis. She has a prolonged history of taking steroids, she has a significant smoking history, and she has an increased caffeine consumption. Additionally, she does already have a history of spontaneous fractures. So the radiologist reads her spinal x-ray and reports a compression fracture of 2 lumbar vertebrae. You recommend to the patient that for pain control, she alternates Tylenol and an NSAID such as ibuprofen. You tell MG that she can apply ice to the area if this helps with pain relief. You also prescribe her a muscle relaxant that she can take as needed for severe pain or muscle spasms. And finally, you refer her to a physical therapist, which will help with this acute injury as well as her overall risk for injury due to her progressive osteoporosis. And finally, these are my 2 references. Thanks for listening.